everyone, now let's check out how you can customize your shortcut buttons on the new 2026 Palisade. Alright, so now we're gonna check out our display buttons. So you have the custom button on the navigation, which is the start. It's going to be this one right over here, and those are going to be your options. You can customize it to Wi-Fi hotspot, HD radio data, home display, passenger talk, so you name it, you can just customize it to whatever you like. You also have the custom button start on the steering wheel, so it's going to be this one right over here. It's really cool. It's a shortcut, so basically you can just if you want it to be quiet mode because the music is really loud, you can just hit this button right over here. Pretty simple. Mode button is going to be this one on top. These are going to be your settings. So you have the Bluetooth audio, Amazon Music, phone projection, sounds of nature, the radio. Alright, so now we're gonna go into the buttons on the steering wheel, which is gonna be the up and down. So this one you can change your favorite station channel. So it's just a shortcut button that moves between the save favorite stations that you have or the channels. And this one right over here is just basically to change the radio station. And this one right over here, the volume and tune are gonna be this one and this one. So over here you can swap it, and basically this one is going to be the tune and this one will be your volume. So you have the option to switch it up if you would like. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.